Join me as I take on the challenge of focusing on just one thing to grow my channel faster. Can I really make it work? When it comes to growing a YouTube channel, one of the most debated topics is whether to focus on one niche or topic, or to diversify your content. This is a crucial decision, as it can make or break your channel's success. Many creators struggle with this very question. On one hand, you want to appeal to a broad audience and cover a range of topics that interest them. On the other hand, you've probably heard the advice to niche down and become an expert in one area. But how do you choose which path to take? Some creators worry that if they focus on one topic, they'll become too repetitive and boring, and their audience will lose interest. Others fear that if they diversify too much, they'll lack depth and authority in any one area. It's a tough call, and there's no one-size-fits-all answer. As creators, we're constantly trying to figure out what works and what doesn't, and this is one of the most important decisions we'll make. When you focus on a single topic, you can delve deeper into it and provide real value to your audience. You can become the go-to expert in that area, and people will come to you for answers. On the flip side, you risk becoming too narrow and missing out on other opportunities. On the other hand, when you diversify your content, you can appeal to a broader audience and keep your content fresh and exciting. However, you risk spreading yourself too thin and lacking depth in any one area. Another potential drawback of focusing on one topic is that you might get bored or stagnant, and your creativity may suffer. On the other hand, if you're working on multiple projects, you may never get to finish any of them, and your audience may get frustrated with the lack of consistency. Let's take a look at some successful creators who have focused on one thing and how it's impacted their growth. For example, some beauty YouTubers have built entire empires by focusing on just one type of content, like makeup tutorials or skincare routines. By doing so, they've become authorities in their niches and attracted huge followings. Other creators have focused on a specific type of gaming content, like walkthroughs or reviews, and have built massive audiences around those topics. In each case, their focus on one area has allowed them to provide huge value to their audience and build a loyal following. In another example, some bloggers have focused on documenting their daily lives, and have built huge audiences around that type of content. By focusing on one area, they've been able to provide a unique perspective and connect with their audience on a deeper level. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Should you focus on one thing to grow your channel faster? The answer is, it depends. In conclusion, focusing on one topic can be a great way to build authority, provide value, and attract a loyal following. But it's not the only way, and it's not right for everyone. The key is to find what works for you and your audience, and to stay flexible and adaptable as you continue to grow and evolve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own experiences with focusing on one topic in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about channel strategies and how to grow your audience, be sure to check out my other video on the topic.